Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Now in this video, I will show and tell you how to deactivate your Facebook account. Write whether my video helped you. Did you manage to do so? Be sure to write comments. I will read and reply to all. Subscribe to the channel. Put likes. Let's get started. To do this, open Facebook. Absolutely on any phone, tablet. Then open the menu. In the upper right corner, click Settings and Privacy. See More in Account Center. Meta Account Center. Personal Details. Account Ownership and Control. Deactivation or Deletion. Select Facebook account. Click Deactivation. Continue. And click Continue. And then we have to enter the password for our account. Then confirm the password again. Click Continue. And our account is deactivated for a while. After you want to log in again, you log in. Enter your username and password. Log in, and you can use your account again. That's how simple and easy it can be done. Let me know if my solution helped you, if it worked for you. If you have any questions, be sure to write in the comments. I will read and answer. Please subscribe to the channel. Give me likes. Goodbye.